Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel first and click the bell button. Target is 20,000 subscribers. Please support me here in this area. So we're looking to Bitcoin price. It's not easy for beginners. Um, the beginners make a mistake. I think we have to look here more careful and look what we can find here. If you look to this here, then you can see the negative channel. Yeah, that is clear. We have here our negative channel. So what that means here, yeah, you can see we were here in the negative channel. Now we are out of this negative channel. So the first view is positive, yeah. And if you look here, that was our resistance in general, yeah. We test this resistance not yet, yeah. And if you look here, make a step back and view to our uptrend. The uptrend goes from here. So now we have these informations, and now you can decide with your knowledge what would you say here. Some of you would argument, okay, we have this situation that we can make a retest of 56,000, or if we can break the resistance, even 60,000 is possible. Yeah. So I'm honest to you, I think we could expect this until mid of January, I would say. Yeah, but it is not clear. I would say one strategy is we fall back in this channel, yeah, to reach the 30,000. Now another strategy is we make a retest to 60,000 and fall finally to the downside. Yeah, so one of them is that red line. Let's make that red and that we make in green. Yeah, one of them is that. Yeah. So I see only these two possibilities. Yeah, because if you look to the general picture, the general picture looks not good. Yeah, you can see the short-term trend line goes from here. If you take the long-term trend line and it goes from this area, you can see we also not tested. Yeah, so I think um, to argument and say, okay, we will fall here to the downside at this moment. Okay, we test this one time, two time, three time, the fourth time, the price will go here to the downside. Everything is clear, but the vaults can stretch this to these levels again. Yeah, this is the danger here. Also, if you look here to this RSI, you can see we have here a big hammer, and these hammers normally goes straight to these levels here. And you can see from this structure, this field is open. You can see 70 and we are at 38. So I would, I'm honest to you, not risk here to say the price will go here to the downside. I think the walls could stretch this here to these levels. Then we complete the left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. Yeah, I know this is negative, yeah, but this is not complete at the moment. You can see the price is also rising. I would say the right shoulder we could make, yeah, so it's not so obviously that we will go here to the downside. Let's look here near term what we have here. You can see also slowly we work or Bitcoin works to the upside. Yes, this is important here. I think this is very positive. So I would say if we jump to these levels here, 49,000, then you can calculate that we will go more to the downside because we have a good structure here, so that we have here left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder, and we could see again the 60,000. So yeah, so I would say I expect 60-70%. I expect 60,000. Yeah, so I think the vaults can stretch this move here to this levels back. Yeah, because everybody thought here the price will go here to the downside and short it. But I think this is also the game of the vaults, that they could stretch this to these levels, because you can see our uptrend is here and we test this only one time. This is not a test. Yeah, and yeah, you can see we not test this level again. This is going yeah, very well to the upside, and you can see we hanging here at these levels, and we break our negative structure to the upside. Yeah, you can see break, retest, and the retest was positive. We not break this channel to the downside, so I think this is getting more real than falling to 30,000. So let's observe. I know this structure is here negative, but um, we have also good positive signs from here. So I would say 60%, 60% that we go to 60,000, and 40% that we could fall here to the downside. It is really not clear. And to say here something that we will go in this direction or this direction, relative not clear, but I think, look here, negative trend line, we break this, make a retest, and this is a signs that we could make here 60,000 again. Yeah, so I would say 60,000, and then finally after that I see Bitcoin here mid of February, March. I see Bitcoin at 30,000. Yeah, then the game plays again from beginning, retest of this area, and finally go to 10,000. So this structure I have in my head. So have a nice day. See you later.